Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel today in this video. I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic images, AI characters, and stunning visuals using only AI without any advanced editing skills. And the most interesting part is that we'll do this entire workflow using PicLumen. Step by step, I'm going to show you the complete process from prompt to final AI visual. And honestly, if you create AI content, cinematic reels, or social media videos, then this workflow is definitely going to be very interesting for you. So let's get started. First, open your browser and simply go to the PicLumen.com. You can directly visit the website. The link is also available in the description. The login process is very simple. You can easily sign up using your Google account or email. Once the login is complete, you'll directly enter the main PicLumen dashboard. Now, after logging in, you'll see a very clean interface, and in the center, there's a tagline that says, "Create to boost your dream." Basically, PicLumen's main focus is to provide creators with a simple and powerful AI platform where you can create cinematic AI content without advanced editing skills. Now, in the center, you'll notice an AI chat box, and honestly, this is where we're going to do our entire workflow. Inside this box, we'll write prompts, and the AI will convert those prompts into images and videos. Below that, you'll see two main options, AI video and AI image. If you want to create direct cinematic videos, you can use AI video, and if you want to generate images first, then the AI image option is available. So let's first check out the AI image generation feature. I'm clicking on the AI image option. Now, inside the prompt box, I'm going to type a cinematic Hollywood-style prompt. Basically, in this prompt, I used cinematic shadows to create a proper Hollywood movie vibe. Along with that, keywords like ultra-realistic and volumetric lighting help the AI generate more cinematic and highly detailed visuals. Now, below the prompt, you'll find the model selection option. Here, different AI models are available depending on the style and quality you want to generate. I'm selecting a model here. After that, you'll see the aspect ratio option. If you want to create YouTube thumbnails or wallpapers, you can choose landscape. I'm selecting 16:9 here. Now, there's another interesting option called images per batch. This means the AI can generate multiple image variations from a single prompt at the same time. This feature is very useful because you can compare different cinematic versions of the same idea. I'm selecting two images here. Now simply click on the Generate button. And within a few seconds, the AI converts our prompt into a complete cinematic Hollywood-style image. On the side, you'll also get extra options for the generated image where you can upscale the image, edit it, create variations, or generate more images in the same style. Now let's check out the output. Honestly, the output looks very impressive. The atmosphere and cinematic lighting feel highly realistic. Especially the background depth and shadows give the image a proper movie poster look. So now let's try another powerful feature of PicLumen Video. You can choose text to video here, but I'm selecting image to video. Now let's convert this generated image into an AI video. I'm clicking on the AI video option. Here I'll upload the same image that we generated inside PicLumen. This image will now work as a reference frame for the AI. Now inside the prompt box, I'm going to type a motion-based cinematic prompt. Basically, in this prompt, I explained character movement, camera motion, and environment animation, so the AI can convert the static image into a realistic cinematic scene. Now, below that, there's a model selection option where you can choose different video generation models depending on smoothness and realism. I'm selecting a cinematic motion-focused model. After that, you'll see aspect ratio and resolution options. If you want to create high-quality cinematic reels, you can choose vertical 9:16, but here I'm selecting 16:9. Next, resolution also matters because the higher the resolution, the more detailed your final video output will be. Now simply click on the Generate button, and within a few moments, the AI converts our static image into a smooth cinematic video. On the left side panel, you'll find all the main AI video generation options. From here, you can select models, upload reference, or start frames for consistency, so your character stays the same. Write prompts and choose aspect ratio. Then simply click on the Generate button to create cinematic AI videos. Now let's check out our generated video output. Honestly, the output looks amazing. The character motion feels natural, the rain animation is smooth, and the neon reflections create a proper cinematic sci-fi movie vibe. The camera movement also looks very professional, and overall the output delivers a realistic cinematic feel, even though it is completely AI-generated. Personally, I found PicLumen's image-to-video workflow very powerful, because normally creating cinematic shots like this requires heavy editing and VFX software, but here you can create professional quality visuals using only prompts. After completing image and video generation, if you want even more creative results, then PicLumen also provides two more powerful features: effects and tools. You can use the effects section where you'll find different ready-made AI effects like dance effects, cinematic effects, anime effects, and fun motion effects. Simply upload your image and the AI automatically creates animated videos according to the selected effect. After that, there's also a tools section available where you get powerful AI tools for image editing and enhancement, like removing backgrounds, creating professional portraits, refining images, or transforming any character into different styles. These tools help make your content more professional and creative. So guys, if you also want to create AI cinematic videos, social media reels, or creative visual content, then definitely try PicLumen.com. The official PicLumen link is available in the video description and pinned comment, so you can directly sign up from there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.